No matter about.
Yeah, so guys, this is it. And here's Stewarts Castle. This is the ruins or the remains of Stewarts Castle.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, welcome back to Vlogmas.
Manners and prayers. We're there, so we give thanks to life.
Yeah, so guys, you can see t-shirt time, t-shirt time, t-shirt time. So we are working. Guys, we don't always wear our t-shirts when we're working, depending on the job that we're doing. Our jobs don't always include customers, well, face-to-face customers, but today is one of the t-shirt days. datmisehtv, Jamaica. So today we are en route to where are we going? Trelawny. We're going to Trelawny today to do a job in Trelawny, and then when we get some time, of course, you know, we'll vlog and show you around and some of what we're doing. So it's Trelawny bound today, people, so yeah, stay tuned. Soon come.
All the Trelawny onions them.
Trelawny onions.
Yes, Trelawny.
Big up yourself, all the Trelawnians them.
Yes, Trelawnians.
Yeah. So yes guys, we are in Trelawny. Falmouth. This is the place that I want to go to.
What?
Glistening waters.
Oh.
So Luminous Lagoon.
Yeah.
There's the thing. Luminous Lagoon. There's the Glistening Waters Hotel.
Yeah.
Where you go at night time and the water is luminous.
Yeah.
You go on the boat and you go out and the water lights up. It glows. So it's over there.
Yeah. Oh, what is it there?
Yeah, Luminous Lagoon.
I want to say that.
I would like to go there. Well, guys, we finished work now. It was just a quick job in Trelawny, so we finished.
So 1 hour drive.
Yeah, so we're heading into Falmouth town now, town centre.
See what's going on around here.
See what's going on.
Man, boy, I'm a trouble, man. I'm a good work.
So, turn off to Falmouth. And you got rafting down here on the Martha Brae. I've been rafting down there, it's really nice. We need to do that one day.
You go around there?
I've been rafted on the Martha Brae before in the past.
Yeah.
So we're driving around into Falmouth now. Falmouth town centre.
Yeah,
so to the left is Martha Brae, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then to the right is in the town centre. Yeah, so if it was Wednesday, we would have definitely gone to Bend Down Market. But it's, what day is it? Tuesday? Tuesday today.
And tomorrow I'm going to be beginning.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Yes, man.
Coming up towards a few days towards Christmas.
Yeah, man. The last day that before the year for the big day.
Yeah.
Last big Wednesday.
Guys, are you prepared for Christmas? It's Tuesday today. I've not bought one thing. We don't even know what we're doing for Christmas Day. We don't even know where we're going to be for Christmas Day, much less. Can you believe it? It's Tuesday. People, let me turn the camera. Can you believe it's Tuesday today? Tuesday the 21st.
Yeah.
Christmas is Saturday. We don't know where we're going to be. We don't know what we're doing. But the thing is, in our line of work, right, we can get a call at any time. So it's kind of hard to make plans and to prepare as such, because somebody could just call us. Somebody could just call us and we just have to move.
Good.
So I know Christmas Day we don't expect to be on the road or anything, but you know, we haven't made any plans because, like I said, anything can happen. Yeah. But it's Tuesday and I'm thinking we need to sort out something. Where Bend Down Market is.
Yeah,
there is a bit of a market. There's a few people over there.
Yeah, man. That's come Christmas now.
Yeah, a few people set up over there.
You think you will see there? Kingston and them coming on tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bigger eagles then.
Yeah. Now.
Yeah, the town of Falmouth.
The last time I came, I wonder if it's still here. The last time I came, guys, and those of you who've been rocking with us from a long time, remember there was a Tesco. There was a Tesco supermarket. There it is. There is that it there?
No, it's up more.
Was that further? Okay, there was a Tesco supermarket, and somebody said the next time you go, next time you go there, you must go to Falmouth. You must stop. So if we get the chance to stop, I'm going to go inside. For those guys who don't know Tesco, Tesco is a supermarket chain in the UK, all over UK, loads of them. I guess it's kind of like how you have Walmart, Walmart in US, all over in every kind of state and stuff. That's what Tesco's like. It's everywhere. But to come to Jamaica and see a Tesco, which is a UK supermarket, so if I don't know, you can't really park around here, can you?
No, you get try and park officially, guys.
If I can stop, I will.
But
It's parking is a bit of a thing around here.
Tesco is
Guys, see Tesco there. Oh my gosh, Tesco, and it's got the same blue and white color like the Tesco in the UK. Can you see it? Right there. Tesco, people, Tesco. It doesn't look like the Tesco in London though, or in the UK. It doesn't look like it. It just looks like a wholesale, right? People, only in Jamaica. Alright guys, so we're still in Trelawny, and you know, every time we pass, so we finished our work, every time we pass we see this sign, Stewarts Castle ruins. So I just looked it up in the car, and it's like a historical site, so we're gonna have a quick detour. Their radio. We are Trelawny. Yeah, Trelawny. Can you hear my accent, guys? Trelawny radio. Didn't even know Trelawny had a radio station, but there you go. Yeah. Fit FM.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my other property.
Stewart Castle ruins. What's down there, innit?
Listen, brother. I probably the castle there. Stewart Castle.
Way down.
Straight down.
Turn right.
So we've just seen the sign, Stewart Castle ruins, and Stewart Castle there. So we're gonna follow the road round. So this is this area called Stewart's Town, right?
Stewart Castle.
Yeah, but the area is called Stewart's Town, huh?
No,
or is it Stewart's
that's
Castle?
Okay. Whole place is Stewart Castle.
Okay. Right guys, so here we are. There's another sign, but as we turn the corner, you can just about see in the distance the remains of the castle. Okay, so you can see here.
The part of it, you know?
Part of it there, yeah.
Yes, we go up top and go around.
Yeah, go up and see what's what.
This one not hidden. Doesn't matter about.
Yeah, so guys, this is it. And here's Stewart's Castle. This is the ruins or the remains of Stewart's Castle. And like I said, it is historical. So a little bit of the history. It was owned originally by James Stewart, who actually came from Scotland in 1754. So this was owned by a Scottish guy who came to Jamaica in 1754. And this castle was built around 1800. Around 1800. So there's close by here there is a town called Stewart's Town, which is named after James Stewart.
Yeah.
As well.
Yeah, when you leave Duncans to go Stewart Town.
Yeah.
Yeah. Duncans Town up there,
Uh-huh.
When you go through Duncans Town, there's that turn, you go straight up, that is Stewart Town.
So that would have been named after him.
Yes, same thing.
It's estimated that by about 1800, James Stewart, who owns this, owned about 1,200 acres of land around the Trelawny.
Yeah. 1,200 acres is not normal piece of land, you know.
Just a whole heap of land.
That's a lot of land, you know. So that means to say that consists of here and Duncans go back up into Stewart Town.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whole little circle go back up, so.
So it was originally, like I said, a sugar plantation.
Yeah.
And James Stewart had over 300 slaves working on the plantation, working the sugar plantation here.
Yeah.
And then it's said that Stewart then became quite vulnerable, and he built this as a fortress, built a fortress so that to keep him safe.
Yeah. There's them holes there.
Yeah. So all these holes, there's a lot of holes in the building.
Yeah.
All these small little holes. You can see them when you zoom in. Were gum ports.
Yeah. Come on, man.
To protect him, to make sure he was protected.
Yeah. So
you can see one up there as well, actually. One of the gum ports.
Yeah.
So yeah.
The ultimate thing there.
It is very, guys, it's bushy.
Alright, just come here now. You go, man. It push it, grass, but the grass soft.
Yeah, the grass
So
is soft.
and you have anything for mash up your foot.
Yeah.
Alright, so the thing better than now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the thing is set up. I still have a little bush about it, and we can't go too deep.
Yeah.
But that's how it look.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So this
So it
has
looks.
been here since 1800.
1800.
1800.
Come. Come here. Come.
He's trying to make walk for all
Hello,
this
you must
girl.
learn to walk through these things.
I
You're a Jamaican now, you know. Come on,
I've
girl.
got, people have got slippers on my foot, you
What's wrong with
know.
you, baby?
You come and take it.
Come.
Can you take
You
it?
must walk, man.
Gosh. He's trying to really Jamaicanize me.
Come. You're here.
He's taking me deep in.
A little closer.
Alright.
Yeah. Show you people what I look like.
Whew.
Just, you know. Wow.
Swing wide.
That's what it look like now.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the whole point of it. All there now, so. You can't go further than that.
So James Stewart did pass it on to his son, and over the years it got passed over to many people. In 1930 it got passed over to Kaiser Bauxite Company,
Yeah.
and then in 1960 the Bauxite Company handed it to the National Heritage Trust, just like this, in this condition.
Yeah.
So,
This is wild susumba.
oh,
Susumba.
he always finds something, doesn't he?
Yeah. This is wild susumba.
Wild Susumba.
Yeah, you know we eat susumba in Jamaica, and the Haitian them like that. But this is the wild one.
Okay.
Yes. These things make the Haitian them afraid away. Because we eat things when they use them to alter for different things. Yeah.
So people, but look at this. It's really, oh my gosh, never turned off up here. We pass this place, we pass the sign all the time, and we pass this Park Trelawny all the time, but we've never turned
moved
off.
this round here.
Never turned off, but it's so beautiful around here, honestly. The views of mountains and everything.
Let me just walk with us and look for this.
It's beautiful.
Now pressure you walking. Yeah, my people, like that. You know what I say? Historical thing, my piece. And if you know what I go on around here, through a place. So I just know about that one. Trust to God. You never know what it's all the while. So this is the right answer. Anyways, I'm a ackee tree around my peeps. Yeah, and eat ackee when ackee come in. It's open right now.
Yeah, go to the ackee tree.
Yeah. Go back, sir. Let me history something here. Now these things, ackee upon tree. Ackee open. Yeah. So them ackee is history ackee. Yeah, this is a historical ackee tree. Yes, now I try to find the red one, I got beat up and just fit me up with it. So the thing go.
Archaeological digs have found Taino sites here. So the Tainos were here
We're here too.
before,
Yeah.
well, obviously long before.
Well, the Tainos, them first was here, you know.
Yes.
The Tainos, you know, Christopher come bust us, come see them, you know. And I'm going to talk about these
Yeah,
images,
so
you know.
there's some history here with the Tainos as well and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And I think there was a proposal a few years ago to turn this into a park.
Okay.
So
Look at land, they can
yeah,
happen.
we'll see.
Yeah.
But I think they could do something with it. I don't know.
Don't know.
So we're heading towards Duncans.
Yeah.
Duncans Square, Duncans Town.
Yeah. Yeah, look at town, look at town.
Little town area.
Duncans are little town.
Yeah.
Quiet place, yeah.
And then is here where you take the road to go under the bridge to go to Silver Sands
Yes.
and Duncans Bay?
Yes.
Yeah, which is really nice over there, guys.
Yes, man.
Silver Sands is like a villa type place where
Beautiful thing down
you
there, man.
can, vacation down there, and then you've got
Yeah.
access to the beach down there.
Not far from the beach.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Duncans Bay, Silver Sands. It's very close to here.
Right down there.
Yeah, Silver Sands there to the left. Down there. It's very, very, very nice down there.
Beautiful.
So big up everyone who comes from Duncans, if you're
Right.
watching. your place.
Yeah. The Trelawny's. Chilini.
So we're in the little, coming up to little square now.
Yeah, man, this is the little square.
Duncans Square.
Duncans Square. Every little thing up here, you know, bar, shop, supermarket, bank.
All the necessities.
Yes, and all these things. Big supermarket and. So this is Duncans Square, the little square. So straight up the road, you drive and go to Stewart Town.
Okay, so Stewarts Town straight up
straight
there.
up the road,
There's the clock tower.
Yeah, right inside the square.
So straight up there, Stewarts
Straight
Town.
up, you go to straight to Stewart.
And that would have been named after James Stewart,
Yes, same
who
thing.
we just spoke about at Stewarts Castle.
If you can see the building, look historical same way.
It does.
Yeah, look at the buildings, yeah. Still have a history thing to it.
Yeah.
Look at the buildings, you know.
Yeah.
You see that?
I feel like a lot of Trelawny is like that. Or a lot of certain parts.
Yeah, but I think that Trelawny have more historical buildings right now in Jamaica.
It is.
A lot of people are changed up and especially in the towns.
Yeah,
they are changed up.
modernized.
Still have these, yes, modernized the thing, but them people still have them
Traditional look, which I like. I like.
So,
I like to see it.
Yeah. You understand?
So this is
something to
Duncans.
remember, you know. Something still there to remember about it, you know. Okay, man.
Alright guys, so I hope you've enjoyed today's vlog, Stewarts Town and our little drive into Falmouth. Yeah, and tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is, what is it tomorrow? The
22nd?
Yeah, but by the time they get this will be, 22nd, yeah, or 23rd by the time you get this. Yes, so tomorrow's another Vlogmas, and so please like, comment, share, subscribe as usual, watch the ads. We'll see you tomorrow, and until next time,
Long life, happy living.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.